So today we are doing a tutorial on Freebird by Leonard Skinner. As you know, my last video I did Sweet Child of Mine. Alright, I'm not going to tell you the whole thing because I only did the intro so far, but the full version's coming soon. So, for Freebird by Leonard Skinner, you're going to start with a G. Okay, just strum down hard, 1. Don't go. So, go D. So, that's by far the easiest. Don't want my Xbox dinging. That's by far the easiest part of it, so. Then we'll go an E minor, which is a kind of more advanced chord. Boom, boom, boom. Then go an F, which is boom, boom. Boom. Sorry. Boom. Right there. C. Do that 6 times. So, the first 3 is going to be like this. Then on the next one, you're going to go. As you notice, I'm only going down, up. If it helps, you can go. Come down like this. One time. Next time it's gonna be. So it's just down, up, down. Then on the 5th and final one. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go 5 instead of 6. You're gonna go. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So. Then, technically the 6th one. One, 2, 3, here we go. You're going to do that. I would say do that like 5 times, so 6 times, 6 and 6, so 12 times. So I'm gonna play full way through until the very end. So you got the version 3 times. Then you got the. So you got. See, first part is that variant, and then it's that variant goes 3 times. The next one is that variant actually goes 2 times. On the 3rd time, it switches to the next variant, which is this. You kind of want to make sure when you come up, you're strumming all strings. To then you hit down, you're just plucking the top string. Okay. Then the third and final variant is so down, up, down. Basically, this variant just said it's this. So then on this, only one variant. So I'm gonna go slow through it. On the very last variant, which is this. Oh, it's on that D. On that very last D, I almost tricked up myself. On that very last D, the very last variant, you're gonna go. You're gonna very slowly start speeding up. The one that I did is the F, D, C, D, F, C, D. You're doing that F, C, D part of it 6 times, just like the G, D, E minor, F, C, D. You're doing that 5 times, but then on the 3rd one, it goes G, D, E minor, F, C, D, F, C, D, F, C, D, and it just keeps going through, okay? So then on the main part of the song, 1 second. Oh gosh, random cut dresser. I really need to get that trick. I ain't learn how to do that trick. I think that'll look really cool if I got to try to do it right. Alright, so then on our solo part of it, it's going on the very final solo part goes, and this bird, I'm gonna go very slow. And this bird you cannot change. So it goes, as the F part of it goes, and this C, bird you cannot, D, change, O, 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 and this bird you cannot change, and this bird you cannot change, and this bird you cannot change. Lord, help me, I can't change. Oh, I can't change. Fly high, free bird. Oh, yeah. So full speed goes. And this bird you cannot change. Oh, oh, oh. And this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Oh, I can't change. Fly, free bird. Oh, yeah. Then it goes. Basically, your solo part of the intro, so it goes. So, fully through. Oh, hold on, wait. I'm gonna go in segment 1, 2, 3. And half is segment 4. So, first segment goes G, F, I, then D, leave here, E minor, tomorrow. F, would you C, still remember? D, me. G, for I must be. D, traveling home. Well, you can either go D, for I must be. Well, G, for I must be. D, traveling. E minor, oh now. F, cause there's too many. C, places I must. D, C. So, full speed. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now. So I even messed up on part some too. So it goes, for I must be traveling on now. The next part, I don't know anybody really that does mess up on this, but I mess up on it on tons, so don't feel scared if you mess up on it. It's very hard to get through for me. It goes, cause there's too many places I must see. So it goes, for I must be traveling around, cause there's too many places I must see. I guess like the cause there's too many, you got like cause there's instead of cause there's, or just go, there's too many places I must see, cause there's too many places okay, so yeah, just say cause there's too many places I must see. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, second segment. This is a more difficult segment for me. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change, and this bird you cannot change, and this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. And here's a kind of a middle part, I'll teach you that too. So it goes, G, if I D, stay here with C. What am I even saying? G, if I D, stay here with E, you girl. Actually, E minor, girl. F, things just C couldn't be the D same. G, cause I'm as D, free as a E minor bird now. F and this C, bird you cannot D change. Same thing. And this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Then F, Lord, C knows I can't D change. Then the middle part goes, bye. So it's pretty straightforward. It's just you're just slowing down your D, so you don't have to just immediately stop. I add that for myself. G. This is segment number 3. Bye, it's been a sweet love. Though this feeling I can't change. Please don't take it so badly, cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. Alright, so it goes G, I, by D. It's been a C, E minor, sweet love. F, Though this sea feeling I can't change. G, but please don't D, take it so E minor badly. F, cause the Lord knows. C, I'm to be blamed. What am I even saying? D, blame. I had blame on my mind, so I said B, but that's not right. It's D, like all the other last lines of every single segment. So it goes full speed. Bye bye, it's been a sweet love. Though this feeling I can't change. Please don't take it so badly, cause the Lord knows I'm pain. Segment number 4. I can't really play through the whole last segment because it basically just blips into the the solo, kind of like fades into the solo. So for this one, do the part that I haven't said or walked through yet. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh. And you go into your solo. So it goes G, but if I D, stay here with E minor, you girl. What the heck, girl. F, things just C, couldn't be the D same. G, cause I'm as D, free as a E minor bird now. And it goes into your solo. So I'm gonna do a quick little playthrough the full song, not a solo or an intro. So it goes. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? If I must be traveling home now, cause there's too many places I must see. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can change. Bye bye, it's been a sweet love. Though this feeling I can't change. Please don't take it so badly, cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. Please, but if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Oh, I can't change. Like I free bird. Oh, yeah. Then you go into your solo, which I already said. I already told you to. Man, I've got like a red spot on my arm, being pinned to that ukulele now for 20 minutes. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more tutorials on ukulele, hit that subscribe button and make sure notifications are set to all, or whatever the setting is that allows you to see all videos, and hope to see you in the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.